Hey everyone, it is Sparkle and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be putting up my Christmas tree. This big old Christmas tree. Y'all, I have been wanting a big tall tree for the longest, and usually the Christmas trees that I've been getting are like 6 feet, 6.5 feet, but this one is 7.5 feet. So I'm going to open it up. And it is from Big Lots. It's from Big Lots. I had my eye on this tree probably about like 2 months ago, maybe like a month and a half ago when I went to Big Lots. And it is a flock tree. Already has the lights on it. It's pre-lit, so I don't have to worry about buying any lights. So I'm just going to take it out the box. How many pieces? Okay, you get the stand with it, and the stand and 3 of the, what do you call those? The branches. You get the bottom part, the middle, and then you get the top. So yeah. So I'm just going to put that together. And also with this tree, what was in it? Some extra bulbs, just in case you want to change out the lights, but they're multicolored, and I won't be using those. I like the clear. See, there they are in the pack, the multicolored. So that's what you get with it. And I will say that when I took the tree out the box, like that white stuff got everywhere. All the flock was everywhere. It was all on my pajamas, all on my area rug, all on my rug. I had to vacuum it all up, but yeah, that stuff was real messy. So just giving you a heads up if you plan on getting a flock Christmas tree. And I will say that this is like real heavy. So what I'm doing here is just screwing in, just putting the screws in the stand. Now the tree does come with 3 screws, but I end up only using 2 because the other screw, I don't know what was wrong with that, but I end up not using it. But the 2 work just fine. Now I will be getting me some decorations for my tree probably later on this week. I do have my color that I'm doing. Some of y'all might know that it is going to be the burgundy color. Well, kind of like burgundy, like it's more on the red side, but it's not red. If that makes any sense. But it's like a just like what's on my table, the 2 candles that's on my table, that is the color that I'm doing. I already have some of my Christmas decor in that color that I bought maybe like a week ago. So yeah, so once I get my Christmas decorations, I will decorate the tree and do the living room and the kitchen and the dining area, so you guys will see that. But yeah, so those are going to be my colors. And I'm just putting the top piece on. Now, when you get your Christmas tree, don't just take it out the box and put it up. You have to, you have to space out the branches, play around with it. And then you see how I'm pulling them apart. Going downward with it. Because I always spread mine, like I always spread my branches, tree branches downward towards the floor, so that way you can get like a full look. You'll see in just a few minutes. See what I'm doing? Like I'm pushing the branches downward. And that way it'll give your tree, you know, that full look. It'll be full from top to bottom. And I'm just going all the way around, doing the middle. I try to make sure I get all in the back. Yep, you gotta go way in there. And I even had to bring, look, I had to get my ladder and do the top, because I'm telling y'all, this tree is really tall. And I live in an apartment, so it looks like really big, but it looks so pretty. And this is just what I wanted. I didn't want a small tree. This is just the perfect size. And y'all will see at the end. So just keep watching. You're going to see how pretty it is, because the lights, I'm going to cut the lights on. But I know once I get my decorations, like, this Christmas tree is going to be everything. And then another thing, like, it's so pretty that I really don't need a lot of decorations. I really don't.